Hi, let's talk about roaming to integers. So you are given the string and then you are converting to the to integers. So this is the map. So I become 1, V become 5, X 10, L 50, C 100, D 500, M 1000, right? But I can be put before V and X, so that will make it to the subtraction. So V minus I, which is 5 minus 1 become 4, right? And then X minus 1 become 9. So there would be an easier way to to solve it. So I make every single chart. So I convert to a chart, right? So I made every single chart and then convert to the integer, and I'm going to check if this value is greater than this value. If not, then I just add it. If true, okay. So I'm gonna use this example I. If the second I is greater than first I, no, right? I just add in. So I just add the first I, and then next loop I check second and third character. So if this I is greater than this I, no, I just add I, and then just keep adding I, right? Now I'm going to show you the different situations. So IV, if this value is greater than this value, which is not, right? So I minus I, then I just had to add V at the end, right? So that would be the simple situation. I'm going to just code it and then you understand what happened. So okay, keep at least. So I'm going to say in num equal to new int. So the length of the array is equal to length of the string. For in I equal to 0, I less than starting length, and I'm using a switch case instead, and then I'll say start chart AI. Now I'm going to say case I. So since it's character, right? So since I equal to 1, right? So break case, and then B nums I equal to 5 break case 10, X, sorry, nums equal to 10 break, and then L break case C case D. Okay, last but not least, and then break, right? So I store every single value into the in array. Now I'm going to check. How do I check? So this is a for loop, right? So that will be it. So there's a total sum. So I'm going to say for in I equal to 0, I less than nums, right? Nums of length I plus. I'm sorting in nums now. Okay, nums. Alright. So if nums I less than nums I plus 1, if this is true, the first variable, the first integer, is less than the second, right? We need to subtract by nums I. Else we just append. We add. Okay, so there's a problem. We have I plus 1 over here, right? So the constraint would be I plus 1 instead. Now we are not going to return the sum because we didn't add the last character. For this example, it's I plus 1. The last character is I plus 1, which is just I, because when you plus 1 you break out the loop. So you need a last variable, which is length minus 1. That will be your last character value inside the nums array. Okay, let's just check. Okay, no typo. Okay, pretty good, right? So talk about space. So the space complexity is all of m, because you are storing every single integer into it, right? And the time is all of m as well. I mean, it doesn't matter for m or n. I can, okay, all of n for nums, right? Time is all of n, right? You're looping, traversing every single integer into the inside the nums array, so it's all of n. And the last one, you have to add the last value inside your nums array. That will be your final solution. Alright, peace.